Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Maddie and I make things. Today, we're gonna learn how to make the easiest peanut butter fudge there is. So wash your hands, put on your apron, and let's get to cooking. For our peanut butter fudge today, we're gonna be using granulated sugar, peanut butter. You can use any brand you want. Today I'm using Jif creamy peanut butter, a jar of marshmallow cream, 2 bags of peanut flavored chocolate chips, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 4 ounces of butter. We're gonna take all these ingredients over to the stovetop. In your saucepan, you are going to combine 4 cups of white sugar, your 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Make sure that you shake that can well before opening it, and then your 4 ounces of butter, which is 1 stick of butter if you didn't know. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this probably on about medium-high heat, and we want to make sure it's all combined, and we're gonna bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. I don't know if you guys hear, but my mom has trained my cats to come running to the kitchen when they hear a can being open because they think it's tuna. Sorry, girls, it's peanut butter fudge. So when we get this to a boil, we're going to boil it for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. The point of this is to make sure that all of that sugar is nicely dissolved, and then it's actually going to start to caramelize it a little bit, which is going to add to the flavor of the peanut butter. We also are stirring to make sure that it's not burning. So now that we've boiled this for 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and switch from our spatula to a whisk. We're gonna add in our peanut butter chocolate chips. And give this a good stir. I like to do the peanut butter chocolate chips first so that they melt down easier, because once you put that in there, it's actually going to cool this mixture down pretty significantly. This is going to reduce the amount of whisking that you're going to have to do to make sure that this is nice and combined and smooth. All right, so now we have that in there. We're going to go ahead and put our peanut butter and our marshmallow cream. And again, we're going to whisk that all together until it's all melty, creamy, and smooth. Okay, now that we're all mixed, we are going to swap back to that spatula and we're gonna go ahead and pour it into a waxed pan. We're gonna let it cool. This usually does a 9x13. However, I'm missing all of my 9x13 glass pans at the moment. So I'm gonna have to do it in 2 separate smaller pans. Thank y'all for tuning in and learning how to make peanut butter fudge with me. If there is anything else you want to learn how to make or see any sort of decorating tutorials on, make sure to drop a comment below and I'll make you a video.